This is a home care website teardown. Brand new design that we just got approval to start building, Acasa Home Care. Why did we make the decisions that we made? How will they affect SEO? How will they affect whether people actually contact them or not? I'm going to get into all of that. All right, so to start off, every one of these franchises is going to have an H1 at the top of the page that's going to include the target keyword and the city, followed by some text, the dominant text on the page being something that we want to say about the business. A mistake that often gets committed here is that the designer will just have the big H1 be something like this that doesn't exactly target the keyword and can kind of set your SEO back a little bit. We have an image that supports this message and 2 calls to action. Contact us, open positions. There's a very specific reason why we picked contact us and not book your free in-home consultation. We've learned from PPC campaigns that that is a conversion killer. We think that what's happening is that there are lots of people that want to know something simple like, what is the minimum number of hours that are required with you every week? Or what are your rates? And they don't want you like coming to their house yet. And having a call to action that is book your free home consultation discourages those people from actually contacting you, making you miss out on the valuable leads. So the hero section of one of these pages needs to confirm the click, tell people that they're in the right place, that you might be what they're looking for. The next thing you need to do is establish social proof. Why should they trust you? And in the design here, it goes right into some testimonials that we've pulled from Google, as well as a link to read them on a third-party website. This is a very important step. Though when you do build this, set the button to open up in a new tab. You don't want to have them completely leave your website. Going down further, we're going to get into the details about the services that you provide, and specifically for home care, we're talking about 24-hour care, respite care, veteran care, Alzheimer's dementia care, all of the main services that your target customers are possibly looking for other than just the generic home care. Past this section, we're going to get into more details about your services. In this case, we spell out what the process looks like. Following that, we're usually going to get into overcoming objections. In this case, we talk about the extensive training that all of their caregivers go through and how rigorous they are and who it is that they hire. Now, we'll often include a section that will allow for internal links over to the location pages, because you are going to eventually build out pages to target each one of the home care plus location queries for your entire service area. And normally we'll wrap up one of these pages with what we call an alternative sales pitch. So in this case, these are blog posts. If you had an ultimate guide to paying for home care, for example, that you've written like a PDF download, that would work here as well. But pretty much what you want to do is send the person to do something else if they're not quite ready to contact you. This is how the main service pages are structured for this website. If you'd like to see more of my teardowns of other home care websites, I'm going to link to them right there.